Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing decimal chapter and today we are continuing the previous topic only. So conversions from smaller units to bigger units. Okay, method is same, only units are changed. So first example I am taking, express as centimeter using decimals. So first statement is 9 centimeter 8 millimeter will be converted into centimeters. Okay, so this is smaller unit and this is bigger unit. So conversion from smaller to bigger, so we will divide with their relations. Now relation should be between these two units, millimeters and centimeters. These are already in centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. Now 9 is already in centimeter, so no need to convert it, plus 8 millimeter, so 8 will be divided with its relation. Okay, now 9 centimeter plus 8 by 10, it is 8/10. How we can convert it into decimal? 0.8. So when we will add these two, whole number will be added to whole part, decimal will be to decimal part. So it will become 9.8 centimeter. Similarly, next example, again method is same, just units are changed. Okay, now you have to convert meters into kilometers. 8 meter into kilometers. So first we will write their relation. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So this 8 will be divided with 1000. So how we read it? 8,000th. So 8 is on 1000th place, or by counting the zeros you can put the decimal. So now it is converted into kilometers. Okay, next example, you have to convert gram into kilograms. Okay, so again smaller to bigger unit. So first we will write their relation. 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. So these grams will be divided with 1000. Now we can cut 1 0, both can be cancelled on 10th table means. So what is left? 375 divided by 100. So now it is 100. So decimal will be after 100th place. Okay, means decimal will be after 2 digit, 1 2. So 3.75 gram. But if here some kilograms are also given, then you will add kilograms to this number. Okay, kilograms will not be changed. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you.